This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
Good evening. Livio, Regano, tonight's weather. Consider the week ahead to be a pre-season taste of midsummer. Days won't get much beyond 30 degrees because of heavy cloud, but a deep tropical north wind will bring intense humidity, restless sleep and storms almost every afternoon, especially inland areas. Today's temperatures were all in the low 30s, so nothing much has changed there, but nighttime temps are slowly rising and insidiously, along with humidity. On the satellite loop now you can see there's lots of cloud across Queensland. Most of it's been inland. That's where the storms have been going up. You can see this line of storms that have developed along the Great Dividing Range. Upper level winds from the west are carrying them towards the coast, but they've only reached the coast in southern parts of Queensland where those winds are strong enough to carry them there. In the tropics they've stayed inland, and we'll see a lot of that kind of thing this week. Now on today's chart you can see an active trough that's sort of crossing Queensland diagonally. You can also see there are very few isobars, so winds, apart from in the southeast near that low where they're getting quite strong, are generally very light, and that hasn't helped offset the terrible humidity we're seeing today. Now on tomorrow's chart, again this trough is sort of waffling around. In the southeast we'll see a brief change just behind that as it moves up, but then it'll just flop straight back down again. There'll be more storms along that trough. On the outlook chart now, as an upper level trough catches up with the surface feature, the entirety of Queensland will get these humid north winds and afternoon thunderstorms. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, north to northeast winds, just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow and Wednesday, and then a straight northerly on Thursday. At the moment we're getting our main high tide around the middle of the day, and the peak of the tide's getting smaller and later as we approach Thursday's half moon. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers tomorrow with possible thunderstorms. Cairns 24 to 33 degrees, 31 for Atherton, 32 for Innisfail and Mareeba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, storms are a decent chance most afternoons this week, with rainfall peaking on Friday, Saturday before easing Sunday. Expect days in the 30s and intensely sultry nights. For Atherton, when we have a north wind, we get the same sorts of temperatures as they do on the coast, and you can see it's low 30s for most of the week. And that's it, folks. Hope you've eased painlessly into the working week. Pleasure to have your company, and thanks for watching 7 Local. I'll be back tomorrow with more weather. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.